Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to use these. These little tiny bits of thread and wire are ear threaders, perfect for a dangly pair of earrings. So these are ear threads, and what an ear thread is a very fine chain attached to a fine wire post, usually 21 or 22 gauge wire. And then there's usually a jump ring on the other end. And these ones from House of Gems are sterling silver with box chain. And these ones are also from House of Gems, and these are rose gold filled, and they have cable chain. And ear threads come anywhere from 3 to 5 inches long. These are about 3 inches long. Now, unlike most earrings that are held in place with some kind of a finding and gravity, like a hook earring, these ones are held in place by the friction of the chain in the hole in the wearer's earlobes. So there are some things that you'll need to consider when designing earrings with ear threads. But the advantage is that you get a nice long earring with lots and lots of dangle. One of the disadvantages of this kind of earring is that not all beads will work. Here I have some little Swarovski crystal cubes, and they go fine on the silver ones. But notice they get stuck on the rose gold, so this chain is a little bit wider. And then let's try these 6mm Swarovski crystals. Nope, not on this one. But on this one is fine. So you'll have to try different beads. Here are a few others. Again, these are some crystals by House of Gems. They work on the silver. They work fine on the copper as well. So you'll have to try different crystals, different beads. These little itty bitty 4mm Swarovskis. Nope. And things like pearls, which are notorious for having tiny holes. I can't even get the post in there. So definitely not that. And also gemstone beads frequently have very small holes, so that's not going to work. Another thing to consider when you're designing is to not use really heavy beads. Like these 12mm lampwork glass beads from House of Gems. You can see that they would just zip, fly right off. In fact, let me show you how these ear threads go. The little wire post just goes through the earlobe, and then they dangle like this. And so you can see, like I said, you get lots of dangle, and then the friction of the wearer's earlobe is what holds it in place. So if you have a big heavy bead like these glass ones or some ceramic beads, you're going to have difficulty. So other than the limitations of the size of the bead holes and the weight, you can have a lot of fun designing earrings with ear threads.